Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Gemini. So let's see ang tinatawag na energy of vibes na nakasurround sa inyo sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng February. Okay? Kung saan tayo dadalhin, general po ito. Isang subscribe, likes, and share lang po. Too busy winning. Okay? Yan. Ano baga ito? Sa karera, sa pag-aaral, sa trabaho, maaaring social media, diba? Yan. It's like palagi kayong nasa competition. You are surrounded with competition, okay? Sa nakikita dito, groupie. Yan, okay? Group of friends, group of sabihin nating mga cousins, baka magkakapatid, but it's more on kinatawag magkakaroon ng pagsasalo-salo, 'di ba? Group of friends, yan, kayo magkakasama-sama, okay? So that's the energy. So narito yung tinatawag ignoring, okay? Yan, sino nang i-ignore? Ikaw ba nang i-ignore? Ini-ignore mo ba sila? It's like tinatawag dito, wala akong panahon, di ba? Kumbaga dito nasa tinatawag hermit mode ang the Gemini, okay? Gemini loves to sleep. Gemini loves being alone, di ba? It's like they are taking advantage. Ni-enjoy naman nila kahit sila mag-isa, di ba? Maybe most of the time they are sleeping or taking a rest, di ba? A boss daddy, stable, rich business owner, CEO, big dick energy. It's more kayo ito. Okay? Yan. A boss daddy. Kayo yan. Nakikita ko energy. Okay? So, let's see. Yan. More energy. Gemini. Ay, sandali lang ha. Naka-reverse. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's like depending it's more on no time. No time for talk, no time for romance, no time for shit. Yan. Dito nakikita. Ito yung tinatawag na may mga tao, okay? Yan yung backstabbing. They are backstabbing you. Okay? Yan. Ito yung mga taong maaring ichinichismis ka. Diba? Maaring dito, nasa grupo nyo lang. Yan, kaya dito lumabas. Diba? Yan. So, they are thinking you are only thinking about tinatawag na about yourself, about your tagumpay. It's like you have no more time for them. Diba? It's like you shut them off. Yan. Kaya dito nakikita samot-saring interpretation about you, diba? But they do not know. They don't know anything about you, diba? It's like they can say what they want, diba? And you are ignoring. Wala kang pakialam because you're the boss daddy, diba? You're thinking more of yourself, okay? Ay, sandali ha. Mali naman aring aking sinasapon na ari. So, tingnan natin ha. Meron dito, it's like tinatawag mapag-usapan lang, di ba? Yan. They are not real friends of yours, okay? Naku po, Santa Maria po. Ba't gete nag-reverse? Naka-reverse pala, okay? So, nakikita dito, tinatawag, you have tinatawag hidden enemies, okay? You have hidden enemies. Jealousy, envy people, di ba? Yan. So, kumbaga dito, maybe, pag nakikita mo sila, nakatawa, but that's not the real them, okay? Mga peke. Yan, ha? You are surrounded. But you ignore it. You don't care, di ba? Because you are the big boss, di ba? It's like you have no insecurities, you have no inferiorities, okay? You show them, okay? That's why nakikita dito. O, kita mo, di ba? It's like they are making fun of you, di ba? It's like hindi pa sila convinced, okay? sa pagiging big boss ninyo. Hindi pa sila convinced na talagang mayaman ka because there are Geminis here. They are rich, stable, they have stable life, they are rich. Maybe they own a business, di ba? Or tinatawag na CEO, big dick energy. Okay? So that's the energy of the Gemini. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na kung ano-ano mga sinasabi nila. Diba? It's like, wag kang magpapaniwala sa Gemini na yan. Nagpapanggap lang yan, kunyari. Diba? No. Kita mo. Yan. But you are this. You are busy. Okay? Busy winning. Ito ang wala sila. Okay? That traits the energy. Kaya palagi kang panalo. Diba? And you're enjoying it. Okay, you're very, very at peace. Tinatawag undisturbed. Okay? Kung nag-uusap man sila about you, you're undisturbed. Okay? Naku po, Diyos ko po, ba't ito'y puro? Ayan, no? Kita ninyo. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag no talking, no communication, no balitaan. Diba? Yan. It's like they cannot get any information from you. Diba? It's like you shut up your world. Kumbaga dito yan, hindi ka nila ma-reach, diba? Hindi nila ikaw matawagan. Halimbawa sabi natin sa telephone, diba? It's like you become invisible. Okay? So last card, okay? The Two of Wands. But they want a relationship with you, diba? It's like hindi ka nila pakawalan, di ba? Kumbaga dito, ano itong meron ka? Okay? Bakit palagi silang habol pa rin sa iyo, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na they are thirsty, okay? Na it's, I don't know, it's like maybe tinatawag na i-compare nila, okay? Ang buhay nila, ang katayuan nila sa inyo. Okay, yan. Maybe na-inspired din sila pero nakikita yung tinatawag their insecurities. Di ba? So let's see. Other energies. Okay? So dito yung tinatawag the Eight of Wands. Okay? There is a travel. You will travel. Okay? It's like you are going abroad. Okay? Or sabihin natin malayong lugar. Okay? Maaaring dito yung tinatawag nagpapabook ka. Okay? Papabook ka ng airlines, di ba? O kaya ng taxi o ng tinatawag na Uber o kaya train, di ba? So, sandali ha, ba't gari napahalo din eh. Tinatawag na the Two of Wands. Yan ha. It's about planning. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag, may pupuntahan talaga kayo. Okay? Dito, pinapasama lang. Okay? Maybe you will meet friends, di ba? You will meet people the same interest like you. Okay? And nakikita ko dito, they are expecting you, okay? They want to meet you, okay? So it's about your strength, discipline. It's about your self-discipline, okay? It's like tinatawag na you're not insecure. You have no inferiorities, okay? Okay. So naririto, okay? Enjoying time, yourself, okay? So, it's more about yourself, di ba? Kasi kaya dito nakikita mo, no? It does not affect you if you are alone, di ba? If you want to go out, if you want to travel, kita mo. Go out with your dogs, yan, di ba? It's like ina-enjoy nyo naman kahit mag-isa kayo, okay? So, the Eight of Pentacles, okay? It's about your passion, your active, your tinatawag na ano ito? Hindi, more about your gifts, di ba? Skills, di ba? Yan, for some of you, di ba? You're very, very busy. Maybe photo shooting, Okay? Maaari ito ipopost mo sa social media, di ba? Ba't gari lumalabas? Sandali. Maaari ito sa social media. You're on a social media, di ba? You're showing something on social media, di ba? Maybe about DIY, do it yourself, paintings, di ba? Makeup, di ba? Or tinatawag na whatever. Very, very busy ito. Meron itong tinatawag na social media platform, ang Gemini na ito. Okay? Sandali lang. Ito, maraming, ito yung tinatawag mga taong pinapangarap kayo. Yan diba? Sa 7 of Cups yan ha. Bigla kasi lumabas, hindi ko alam ba't ito yung napasama doon. Yan pinapangarap kayo. Maraming gusto, okay? Tinatawag na maaari ito yung mga fans o admirers, okay? Kayo ang topic, kayo lagi ang pinag-uusapan. Gusto nila kayong puntahan, di ba? Yan. Gusto nilang makipag-usap, makipag-engage sa inyo, di ba? Ikaw ang pinakamaganda. It's like hindi ka mabura sa kanilang kaisipan. Okay? Kung sino man itong taong ito. Pero ito ay nakikita, marami ito. Okay? Marami nagpapantasya sa inyo. Okay? Maraming may gusto sa inyo. It's like pinag-aagawan, a competition kung sino ang sasagutin ng tinatawag na the Gemini. Let's see. Another cards. Okay. The 4 of Wands. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's about your success. It's about your achievements. It's about your tinatawag itong mga nagawa mo sa buhay mo. It's more about your success, di ba? Maaring tinatawag na you are, there is a celebration of money, di ba? There is a celebration, bawa sabihin natin kapag patayo ka ng bahay, there is a celebration na very, very blessed ang iyong marriage relationship. It's like you're on top of the world. Okay? Kaya dito usap-usapan, marami mga tinatawag. Okay? Pero bakit sila narito? Diba sa tinatawag? The 2 of Wands. Okay? They cannot, hindi nila pa kayo mabitawhan. It's like tinatawag, para ka bagang pulot-pukyutan. Diba? Yan, no? Maraming mga bees. Diba? Parang pulot-pukyutan. Okay? Ikaw ang laging topic, ang issue ng kanilang pag-uusap. So, they are talking about your success, di ba? Maybe they say, malaking bahay mo, maswerte ka sa pangasawa mo, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na reach mo na at the peak of your success, okay? So, narito yung tinatawag the Ace of Pentacles. Yan, Kita nyo na, nakikita mo na ang iyong pinaghirapan, okay? It's like sabihin nating business, nagtayo ka ng business, nakikita mo na, di ba? Yan, yung tinatawag na gumaganda, okay? Nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na rooting, di ba? Nagkakaroon ng roots, tumitibay, security, di ba? Yan, it's like ito yung magdadala sa iyo sa malaking kaperahan, di ba? So, meron dito tinatawag, express yourself. Di ba? It's like tinatawag na the 8 of Swords. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, challenge yourself. Di ba? Yan. Huwag mong pagdudahan. Okay? Huwag ka ma-insecure. Alisin mo inferiorities. Yan. It's like tinatawag, binibigyan ka na ng pagkataon to fly. To show your feathers. Di ba? To show who you are. Di ba? It's like meron dito mga Gemini na very, very vulnerable. Okay? It's like they are afraid to show up. They are afraid to speak. Diba? Yan, kaya dito kita mo. Kung ano man ito. Diba? Yan the 8 of Pentacles and the 8 of Swords. Diba? Yan. Para ito mag-materialize. Diba? Have a courage. Okay? Alisin mo yung inhibition. Diba? Show yourself. Diba? You're perfect. Gemini, you are perfect, okay? You're a very, very perfect person. And the world is waiting for you, okay? To show it. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, alisin mo lang ito ang mangyayari sa iyo. The 4 of Wands, success, di ba? Kasi ito yung tinatawag hadlang, okay? An obstacle for you. Para ito is mag-materialize, di ba? Yan, Just be yourself, di ba? You're a very, very natural talent. You have very, very natural talent kayo. Okay? Yan nakita natural. Okay? There are Geminis with a very dark skin, but you are beautiful. Okay? Show the world what you are capable of.